My lord, I seek your lordship's permission to open the proceedings.
Yes.
The proceedings are open. Now I request the honorable dignitaries to address the esteemed gathering according to their respective terms.
My Lord, Hon'ble Mr. Justice G. Narendra, Chief Justice of Uttarakhand High Court, Hon'ble Mr. Justice Manoj Kumar Tiwari, Senior Judge, their esteemed companion judges, President High Court Bar Association, Senior Advocates, my colleague on government side, members of the Bar, Registrar General, members of the Registry, ladies and gentlemen. Sir, we have assembled here to bid farewell to Mr. Honorable Justice Vivek Bharti Sharma on his superannuation as a judge from this Honorable High Court. His Lordship was born on 13 June 1963 at Delhi. His Lordship did his schooling from Ramjas School, Delhi, graduation from University of Delhi, LLB from University of Delhi, and his Lordship did a course in Forensic Science, Department of Anthropology from University of Delhi. His Lordship joined the legal profession in the year 1987 and practiced in District Courts and High Court of Delhi in the year 1990. His Lordship was appointed Government Counsel in Delhi administration. In the year 1994, His Lordship was appointed Additional Public Counsel of Government of Delhi and conducted cases of Directorate Industries, Directorate of Education, PWD, and Delhi Police, etc. His Lordship was also appointed Advocate of Indian Railways in High Court of Delhi in the year 1998 and in the year 2000. His Lordship was appointed Additional Standing Counsel for Union of India. His Lordship was also an advocate for Vaishya Cooperative Adarsh Bank, Delhi, on joining higher judicial services in the state of Uttarakhand on 18/11/2006. His Lordship served as Additional District Judge and Session Judge at Haridwar, Roorkee, Haldwani, and Nainital. In May 2011, His Lordship was appointed as Principal District Judge, Pithoragarh, thereafter Principal District Judge Pauri in the year 2013. His Lordship served on deputation as legal advisor of His Excellency, the Governor of Uttarakhand from 17/11/2014 to 1/4/2017. Later on, transferred as Chairman Commercial Tax Tribunal, Dehradun. On 22nd May 2017, His Lordship was appointed as Director, Uttarakhand Judicial and Legal Academy. On 16 August 2018, His Lordship was appointed Principal District Judge, Haridwar. On 4th April 2022, His Lordship was appointed Registrar General High Court of Uttarakhand, Nainital. His Lordship was elevated as Judge, High Court of Uttarakhand, by notification dated 27th April 2023. Sir, we wish you and your family a very good health and every success in life, and we pray Almighty to make your path free from all trouble. Thanking you.
Your Honor, Honorable Mr. Justice Gwanathan Narendra, the Chief Justice High Court of Uttarakhand at Nainital, and the other esteemed judges of High Court, learned Chief Standing Counsel, learned Chairman Bar Council of Uttarakhand, learned Co-Chairman of Bar Council of India, learned Senior Advocates, learned Registrar General, learned Government Advocates, and the learned members of the High Court Bar Association. Sir, we are assembled here to bid farewell to Honorable Justice Vivek Bharti Sharma, the Justice who is demitting the office today after rendering distinguished service to this court. I can say without any hesitation that with the retirement of Justice Vivek Bharti Sharma, the bench and bar of the High Court of Uttarakhand will be missing a brilliant and illustrious judge. Honorable Mr. Justice Vivek Bharti Sharma is first batch of HGS 2005, State of Uttarakhand. His Lordship did his schooling from Ramjas School, Delhi, BSc from University of Delhi, LLB Faculty of Law, University of Delhi, course in Forensic Science. His Lordship joined the legal profession in the year 1987 and practiced at law, mainly in matrimonial, civil, and criminal side in District Court and High Court of Delhi. In the year 1990, His Lordship was appointed as Government Council Delhi Administration. In the year 1994, His Lordship was appointed as Additional Public Counsel of Government of Delhi and conducted cases of Directorate of Industries, Directorate of Education, PWD, and Delhi Police. His Lordship was also appointed as an advocate of Indian Railway in High Court of Delhi in the year 1998. In the year 2000, His Lordship was appointed as Additional Standing Counsel for Union of India. His Lordship was also an advocate for Vaishya Cooperative Adarsh Bank, Delhi. On joining HJS, His Lordship served as Additional District and Session Judge at Haridwar, Roorkee, Haldwani, and Nainital. In May 2011, His Lordship was promoted and appointed as Principal District Judge, Pithoragarh. Thereafter, Principal District Judge, Pauri in 2013. His Lordship served on deputation as legal advisor to His Excellency, the Governor of Uttarakhand, later on transferred as Chairman, Commercial Tax Tribunal, Dehradun. On 22nd of May 2017, His Lordship was appointed Director of Uttarakhand Judicial and Legal Academy. On 16th of August 2018, His Lordship was appointed as Principal District Judge, Haridwar. On 4th of April 2022, His Lordship was appointed as Registrar General, High Court of Uttarakhand, Nainital. His Lordship was elevated as Judge, High Court of Uttarakhand, wide notification dated 27th of April 2023. A judge is required not only to faithfully interpret and apply law, but it is equally essential for him to be conscious of the social realities of the world and to decide the care fairly and wisely. In this regard, I must mention that Honorable Justice Vivek Bharti Sharma made a very valuable contribution in the form of his extremely balanced judgments. Honorable Justice Vivek Bharti Sharma, through him, loyalty to the ethics and commitment to the cause of upholding the nobility of justice administration system, has secured a remarkable reputation, not just for himself, but this institution as well during this period. I found that Honorable Mr. Justice Vivek Bharti Sharma has a nobility of classic quality, the bar and bench alike. Honorable Mr. Justice Vivek Bharti Sharma, most popular judge in the opinion of members of the bar, having great reputation due to his simplicity and nobility. I, on behalf of me and on behalf of the members of the Bar Association, take his opportunity to extend my gratitude to Honorable Justice Vivek Bharti Sharma for his distinguished contribution to the institution, which will be remembered forever. I conclude wishing Honorable Justice Vivek Bharti Sharma good luck in all his future endeavor. May the choicest blessing and the Almighty be showered on him and all his family members for more happy, healthy, and wishing him to start a new life. Thanking you, members.
My esteemed brothers on the dais, Honorable Mr. Justice Vivek Bharti Sharma, Madam Srimati Meena Adhikari Sharma, and other family members of Justice Vivek Bharti Sharma. the family members of my esteemed colleagues, Mr. C.S. Rawat, Learned Chief Standing Counsel, Mr. Amit Bhatt, Learned Government Advocate, Mr. Rajat Mittal, Senior Vice President, High Court Bar Association, Mr. Virender Singh Rawat, Secretary, High Court Bar Association, and other office bearers of the High Court Bar Association, learned senior advocates, learned members of the bar, members of the Registry of the High Court, the staff of the High Court, members of the print and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have gathered here with mixed emotions, both with a deep sense of appreciation and a tinge of sadness and immense respect as we bid a warm farewell to our esteemed colleague, Brother Justice Vivek Bharti Sharma, on his demitting office as Judge of the High Court of Uttarakhand. Born on 13 June 1963, Brother Justice Sharma did his schooling from Ramjas School, Delhi, BSc graduation from University of Delhi, LLB graduation from Faculty of Law, University of Delhi, and a course in Forensic Science, Department of Anthropology, University of Delhi. He joined the legal profession in the year 1987 and practiced mainly in matrimonial, civil, and criminal side both in the district courts and the High Court of Delhi. In the year 1990, Brother Justice Sharma was appointed as the Government Counsel for the Delhi administration. In the year 1994, he was appointed Additional Public Counsel for Government of Delhi and conducted cases of Directorate of Industries, Directorate of Education, PWD, and Delhi Police, etc. He was also appointed advocate for the Indian Railways in the High Court of Delhi in the year 1998. In the year 2000, Brother Justice Sharma was appointed as the Additional Standing Counsel for the Union of India. Brother Justice Sharma was the first batch of HJS 2005 for the state of Uttarakhand. On joining HJS, Brother Justice Sharma served as Additional District and Sessions Judge at Haridwar, Roorkee, Haldwani, and Nainital. In May 2011, he was promoted and appointed as the District Judge Pithoragarh and thereafter as the District Judge Pauri in the year 2013. Brother Justice Sharma also served on deputation as legal advisor to His Excellency the Governor of Uttarakhand and later on transferred as Chairman Commercial Tax Tribunal, Dehradun. On 22nd May 2017, he was appointed as the Director of the Uttarakhand Judicial and Legal Academy. Thereafter, on 16th August 2018, he was appointed as the District Judge Haridwar. On 4th April 2022, he was appointed as the Registrar General of the High Court of Uttarakhand, Nainital. Considering his high sense of integrity and his erudite knowledge of law, Brother Justice Sharma was elevated as Judge of this High Court on 27th April 2023. Brother Justice Sharma's journey in the legal world has been exemplary from his early days at the bar as well as his higher judicial service through an illustrious career marked by diligence, deep learning, and professional integrity to elevation to the bench. His commitment to the cause of justice has remained steadfast. As a judge of this High Court, Brother Justice Sharma brought not only legal acumen, but also a rare sense of balance, humility, and compassion. His courtroom was a space where all were heard with patience and every matter was approached with clarity and seriousness. During his tenure as a judge of this High Court, for the last about 2 years, Brother Justice Sharma has disposed of as many as 3,127 cases, including 2,450 cases in the single bench. Brother Justice Sharma has authored many landmark judgments which adorn the law journals and will continue to guide the bench and bar for years to come. It is no exaggeration to say that Brother Justice Sharma has contributed significantly to the growth and development of our legal jurisprudence. Beyond the courtroom, Brother Justice Sharma has been a pillar of support and a valued colleague to all of us on the bench. His wisdom, kindness, and ability to listen have enriched many discussions and strengthened the sense of congeniality that this court is proud of. Brother Justice Sharma remained part of many committees of the High Court, where both the committee and the High Court have reaped dividends from his vision and clarity of thoughts. Apart from being such a successful legal luminary, one special quality about Justice Sharma which deserves a special mention and which we must all appreciate is the level of fitness which he has maintained so well. Brother Justice Sharma is extremely passionate when it comes to fitness, be it his passion for cycling, gymming, walking, hiking, etc. Brother Justice Sharma's power of discipline, commitment, and consistency is inspiring for all of us. Brother, while your official duties draw to a close today, your contributions will continue to illuminate the path of many. Retirement is not an end, but the beginning of another chapter in life, one where you can finally dedicate time to pursuits perhaps long postponed and to the company of loved ones without the pressing demands of the court. Knowing Brother Justice Sharma, he is not one to rest on his oars or to bask in his past glories. I am sure Brother will continue to work and will continue to contribute substantially both to the legal fraternity in particular and to the society in general. I, on my own behalf, as well as on behalf of my brother judges and the entire state judiciary of Uttarakhand, express our heartfelt gratitude for your years of dedicated service and wish you and your family a happy and joyous, peaceful and prosperous, healthy and wealthy life in decades to come.
Honorable the Chief Justice, my esteemed brother judges, Learned Advocate General, Learned President and Secretary of the High Court Bar Association, Learned Chief Standing Counsel, the Government Advocates, Learned Senior Advocates, Learned Members of the High Court Bar Association, the Registrar General, other registrars of the High Court, members of court, registry, respected spouses of the esteemed brother judges, my better half, Mrs. Sharma, ladies and gentlemen. Today is an extremely emotional day for me. On occasion of my superannuation, I look back with gratitude and humility at the long journey I had in this service of justice. When I first entered judicial service many years ago as a judge, I could never have imagined the path ahead. The district courts, as many of you know, are the true foundation of our justice system. It was there that I first came to know the impact of the law on everyday life. I witnessed the hopes, fears, despondence, and struggle of ordinary person in pursuit of justice from very close. Those early experiences taught me to have patience, compassion, with immense responsibility, and the most important, to look at fact from all perspectives and angles, may that be prosecution side or the accused or the rival parties. Over the years, I got the privilege to serve in various positions and places, each with its own challenges and experiences. As you know, prior to that, I practiced at law for about 19 years. When I later got the honor to serve as a judge of the High Court, I brought with me all these experiences to assist me in my work as a judge of High Court. The transition of bar to bench was significant, but the core values remained the same: to listen with care, to act with fairness, and to strive and dispense justice without fear or favor. I always believed that justice is not just about passing judgments, but it is more about doing justice. It is about upholding human dignity, safeguarding rights, and nurturing public trust in the rule of law, and most importantly, the concept of state, the idea of state, making my nation Bharat as epitome of justice in whole world. This belief guided me through the decision which I had to make. During my tenure, I tried to remain steadfast with all integrity in my commitment to uphold the purity of process of law, sanctity and dignity of court. It had been my endeavor that compensation and maintenance, etc., should go directly into the accounts of entitled person within a fixed time frame without any application by applicant in the trial court. This measure, though administrative in nature, significantly reduces the procedural burden on staff and saves litigants already in distress from harrowing experience, ensuring that the relief reaches them in timely and dignified manner. As I relinquish the office today, I do so with peace in my heart and deep gratitude. I'm living this role, but not the values that it has given to me. I will always remain a humble student of law and shall continue to strive for justice in future to strengthen my nation. To the learned members of the bar, I would like to say one thing, that advocates play central, important, pivotal, and very noble role in the justice system. I urge all of you, particularly my younger friends, to uphold the highest standards of integrity and transparency. Let me also emphasize something that is often overlooked and fundamentally important. An advocate must be master of facts. A judge may know the law, but it is certain that he does not know the facts of your case. A case can only be decided justly when the facts are placed with precision and clarity. Never assume that the court knows what you know about your case. Before I conclude, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to my esteemed brother judges, whose wisdom, support, guidance, camaraderie have been invaluable throughout my tenure. It has been great honor to serve along with such dedicated and principled jurists. Last but not least, I am also deeply grateful to the hardworking staff of the registry and court. Their diligence, professionalism, and tireless efforts have been the backbone of my working as judge. I am especially thankful to my private secretary, Ms. Rajni Kausai, and my bench secretary, Shri Devashish Shah. They have been excellent in their work. My personal assistants, my orderlies are also not lagging behind. I would be unfair if I don't express my heartfelt gratitude to my driver, my personal security officers, as well as to my personal staff at residence, who were always available with full dedication whenever I desired. I am thankful to Almighty and to my Swargiya parents, who gave me innate strength and values that taught me not to differentiate between people on the basis of caste, creed, language, reason, on values that made my heart to beat for poor and downtrodden. In epilogue, I express heartfelt gratitude to my extremely supportive better half, Mrs. Riya Sharma, and my daughter Rajula Gaur, who always been perennial source of motivation and inspiration in this journey. Before saying my thank you, I would like to just tell you one thing, that Mrs. Meena Adhikari Sharma, the wife as spoken by Honorable Chief Justice, and Mrs. Riya Sharma is one of the same lady. It's a name to the same lady. My wife, in the literary words, she writes with this name, Riya Sharma, and she is the same lady which my Chief Justice was. I mean, otherwise my life will be hell after retirement. Thank you all of you being a part of this journey. Thank you very much, Chief Justice, my brother judges, my bar members. I am so thankful and grateful to you all. And most importantly, today I spoke in my court also, when some of the lawyers filled my courtroom and said, sir, thank you. I said that I have always been very uncomfortable judge, and it is magnanimity of yours that you are expressing and wishing good to me, because they said, no, no, no. When I'm uncomfortable for myself, how can I say that I'm not uncomfortable for you? So again, I say thanks to the bar as a whole to be so supportive and tolerant that they, just tolerated me also. Thank you very much.
Now I seek the permission of Honorable the Chief Justice to place the proceedings on record and close the proceedings.
Yes.
Thank you, Lordship. The proceedings are closed. May I request you all to join in 40 at ground floor of Chief Justice Court building. Thank you so much.
Judicial work is suspended for the remaining of the day.